I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. I guess we're hanging out with Olaf today. Today, we're going to do a 10-minute vocal warm-up. It's the red one to help you find your favorites later. I have over 100 videos for singers on my channel, and I currently publish new videos every week, so make sure to check those out and subscribe. As we begin, take a moment to check in with your body and come in to an aligned and relaxed singing position. Take a few low, relaxed breaths as you release the muscles in your shoulders, neck, jaw, and tongue. I try to cover a wide range in these warm-ups, so feel free to jump octaves as you wish. For our first vocal warm-up, we're going to glide on a zh sound, like zh. Here we go. Now let's relax into a na, na, na sound. I'm aiming for a very neutral but open vowel. It's kind of a mix between a na and a na. Na, na, na. Here we go. Na, na, na. For this next vocal warm-up, let's now focus on engaging the breath as we sing ki, 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 like ki, 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 and go. Ki, 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 ki. Now let's sing through some common vowel sounds with mi, me, ma, mo, mu, like mi, me, ma, mo, mu, your turn. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. 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 Next, let's move to a lip trill or bubble as we sing and go. And side down. As I work with singers, I notice that a lot of people have kind of manipulated tongue tension. We're going to hum now, but rather than having the lips touch, we're going to stick the tongue out slightly in between our lips. So without biting down, notice if there are times that your tongue wants to pull back or lift, and consciously try to relax it. We're going to hum like this. Here we go. Let's do just a little bit of interval work on the sound new, new. We're going to sing new, 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 Finally, let's end with some range extension. This time, as we sing zia, we're going to hold and build the top note, like zia. Focus on air support and relaxation, and try not to worry if your voice isn't perfect in the extremes of your range. We need to get the voice opened up and vibrating freely. Here we go. Zia. so much for singing with me today. When you like or subscribe or comment or share, it really does help my channel. So I appreciate it when you do. See you next time.